How to grant GBoard full access on iPhone. So if you have the GBoard keyboard as one of your keyboards on the iPhone and I want to grant a full access, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, if you're using iOS 13.2, the approach is kind of corny and you need to follow the steps I'm going to share with you here. Now, to grant GBoard full access on iPhone iOS 13.2, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, you want to scroll down and click on apps. Now, once you selected the apps, locate default apps and click on it. There you go. Under default apps, you want to scroll down the page and click on keyboards. Click on that. Then you have all your keyboards on your iPhone. You can see I have the default keyboard, I have the emoji keyboard, and then I have the GBoard. Now, to grant GBoard full access on my iPhone right now, just go ahead and click on GBoard. Then you should see allow full access. Turn that on. And you're going to see a part that says allow full access for GBoard keyboard. Make sure you read this and understand it. Full access allows the developer of the keyboard to transmit anything you type, including the things you have previously typed with this keyboard. So this could include sensitive information such as your credit card numbers or street address. If you want this, tap allow, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to allow full access on GBoard on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.